Let us now understand dimensioning in Siemens NX drawing. Here we have a drawing. Here are few drawing views and we are going to dimension the same. In order to dimension, go to the Home tab, click on Rapid for a quick dimensioning. Here I'm going to select the diameter, click on the diameter and you can see that the dimension has been created. In order to change the format of this dimension, double click on the dimension. Here you can change the style. I'm going to select horizontal text. You can make it into different tolerancing. You can also change from diameter to radius. Click close to exit. I'm going to push this dimension to the side so that I will create another one using the linear command. Here I'll be selecting two phases. So I'll select this to this. In order to do that, the first object will be this. Select the second object and click on the object that the dimension needs to be created. Click close, exit. In order to change the dimension, I will round it off to 0 decimals. So you can do that here. You can also type in any notes if there are any. So you can make all these changes using these options. So you can go horizontal as well. I'm going to take it back to vertical, drag it out so that it's clearly visible. You can also drag this dimension back to where it was. So this is how you create basic dimensioning. I'm going to create another one with angles. It is the same step where you select first object and then you select the second object and then you can show the dimension. Click close exit. In order to push it outside, you can always use this. Here we have other options. We have callouts and ordinates in the dimension tab. You can also take chamfer by clicking on this thickness, arc length, perimeter dimension.